some candy?
We can Halloween, and one night we can have a dog one.
A dog party?
There's going to be dog treats everywhere.
That's a great idea.
You believe that, Mommy and Daddy?
No, I don't believe it.
And we can go outside, and we can go swing on my swing, and we can go swing on the bike. Everything. And we can get these frogs out, and then we can break them into little pieces to make Easter eggs, and that's when it's next Easter.
That's for next Easter.
That's when it's next Easter. And guess what? Even what they have, we're gonna have picnics outside.
A picnic outside?
Yeah! You believe that? Picnics outside!
No!
And we get to have apples everywhere.
That is awesome. You are such a good thinker. Great ideas, Brycey.